Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your headline using ATS-friendly keywords, full guide step by step clearly. To configure your headline using ATS-friendly keywords, start by understanding the role of Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS. These systems filter resumes and identify the most qualified candidates based on specific keywords. Begin by researching relevant keywords related to your industry. Utilize job descriptions from positions you're interested in to gather this information. Pay attention to the terms and phrases that appear frequently. Compile a list of these keywords, ensuring you include variations and synonyms. Next, focus on the structure of your headline. Aim for clarity and conciseness, making it easy for the ATS to recognize key terms. Incorporate your top keywords naturally within the headline. For example, if you are a marketing professional, terms like digital marketing specialist, avoid using overly creative language that may confuse the system. Personal branding is essential, so ensure your headline reflects your unique selling points. Once you have a draft, revise for grammar and clarity. Ensure the final headline is succinct, ideally under 60 characters. After finalizing, test the headline against multiple job descriptions to check relevance. Make adjustments as necessary, tweaking keywords based on feedback from your findings. Finally, save your configurations in a document to update easily in the future. With these steps, you can create a strong, ATS-friendly headline to improve your chances of landing an interview. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.